Special Proceedings, Rule 79, Opposing Issuance of Letters Testamentary, Petition and Contest for Letters of Administration. Section 1. Opposition to issuance of letters testamentary, simultaneous petition for administration. Any person interested in a will may state in writing the grounds why letters testamentary should not issue to the persons named therein as executors or any of them, and the court, after hearing upon notice, shall pass upon the sufficiency of such grounds. A petition may, at the same time, be filed for letters of administration with the will annex. Section 2. Contents of petition for letters of administration. A petition for letters of administration must be filed by an interested person and must show, so far as known to the petitioner, A. The jurisdictional facts. B. The names, age, and residence of the heirs and the names and residence of the creditors of the decedent. C. The probable value and character of the property of the estate. D. The name of the person for whom letters of administration are paid. But no defect in the petition shall render void the issuance of letters of administration. Section 3. Court to set time for hearing, notice thereof. When a petition for letters of administration is filed in the court having jurisdiction, such court shall fix a time and place for hearing the petition, and shall cause notice thereof to be given to the known heirs and creditors of the decedent, and to any other persons believed to have an interest in the estate, in the manner provided in sections 3 and 4 of Rule 76. Section 4. Opposition to petition for administration. Any interested person may, by filing a written opposition, contest the petition on the ground of the incompetency of the person for whom letters are paid therein, or on the ground of the contestant's own right to the administration, and may pray that letters issued to himself or to any competent person or persons named in the opposition. Section 5. Hearing and order for letters to issue. At the hearing of the petition, it must first shown that notice has been given as herein above required, and thereafter the court shall hear the proof of the parties in support of their respective allegations, and if satisfied that the decedent left no will, or that there is no competent and willing executor, it shall order the issuance of letters of administration to the party best entitled thereto. Section 6. When letters of administration granted to any applicant. Letters of administration may be granted to any qualified applicant, though it appears that there are other competent persons having better right to the administration. If such persons fail to appear when notified and claim the issuance of letters to themselves. Rule 80. Special Administrator. Section 1. Appointment of a Special Administrator. When there is delay in granting letters testamentary or of administration by any cause including an appeal from the allowance or disallowance of a will, the court may appoint a special administrator to take possession and charge of the estate of the deceased until the questions causing the delay are decided and executors or administrator appointed. Section 2. Powers and duties of a special administrator. Such a special administrator shall take possession and charge of the goods, chattels, rights, credits, and estate of the deceased, and preserve the same for the executor or administrator afterwards appointed, and for that purpose may commence and maintain suits as administrator. He may sell only such perishable and other property as the court orders sold. A special administrator shall not be liable to pay any debts of the deceased unless so ordered by the court. Section 3. When powers of a special administrator cease. Transfer of effects, pending suits. When letters testamentary or or of administration are granted on the estate of the deceased, the powers of the special administrator shall cease, and he shall forthwith deliver to the executor or administrator the goods, chattels, money, and estates of the deceased in his hands. The executor or administrator may prosecute to final judgment suits commenced by such special administrator.